Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Wang. Here is the question. Find the value of cotangent of inverse cotangent of 3 plus inverse cotangent of 7 plus inverse cotangent of 13 plus inverse cotangent of 21. These inverse are angles. Here are some useful formulas. Cotangent of inverse cotangent of x equals x. Here, cotangent and inverse cotangent are inverse each other. Tangent of x equals 1 over cotangent of x. Tangent of some angle formula. Tangent of x plus y equals tangent of x plus tangent of y divided by 1 minus tangent of x times tangent of y. Because inverse cotangent is an angle. Here, we define 4 angles. A equals angle inverse cotangent of 3. B equals inverse cotangent of 7. C equals inverse cotangent of 13. D equals inverse cotangent of 21. We use the first formula. If A equals inverse cotangent of 3, then we have cotangent of this inverse cotangent of 3 equals 3, or by definition. Therefore, we have tangent of A equals 1/3. Similarly, by definition of B, we have cotangent of B equals 7. This implies tangent of B equals 1/7. C equals inverse tangent of 13. This implies cotangent of C equals 13 and tangent of C equals 1/13. D equals inverse of cotangent of 21. We have cotangent of D equals 21. This implies tangent of D equals 1/21. We have 4 results here. We use the sum angle formula for tangent. Tangent of A plus B equals tangent A plus tangent B divided by 1 minus tangent A times tangent B. Replace tangent A by 1/3, tangent B by 1/7. We have the final result, 1/2. Similarly, we can find tangent of C plus D. Replace tangent C by 1/13, tangent D by 1/21. 1/8 is the answer for tangent of C plus D. We use tangent of the sum angle formula again. Tangent of A plus B, then plus C plus D. We have the value for tangent of A plus B, tangent of C plus D. Plug in the two values here in the right-hand side of this equation. We simplify this expression. Then we have 2/3 is the answer for tangent of A plus B plus C plus D. The question is to find the cotangent. Cotangent equals 1 over tangent. Then we have cotangent of A plus B plus C plus D equals 3 over 2. What is A, what is B, what is C, what is D? By definition. A is inverse cotangent of 3. B is inverse cotangent of 7. C is inverse of cotangent of 13. D is inverse cotangent of 21. Therefore, the final answer is 2 over 3. That's all. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.